Bing, we are going to go to PC World. No, I'm not going to go to PC World. I want to see Concert of Bing. Concert of Bing does not exist, and we're going anyway. I hate PCs. They're so boring. Well, actually cares. You're going to see PCs, and that is final. Oh man, what should I do?
Hello.
Oh, I have an idea.
Hello, darling.
Hi. Oh, this is so boring.
Eh?
I hate PCs and I hate PC World. You know what? I am going to build a fire alarm. Oh my god! Bing! How dare you put the fire on a PC World? That's it. You're grounded for a million years. Now go to your room right now and never come back at all. At all. No.